Well, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Jenny, and we're back at our Dollar General because we got clearance sales going on right now that are up to 90% off. And you want to know and you want your friends to know. So right now, go ahead and stop, share this video to your Facebook news feed, and with the little notation that says share. And that way your friends will share with their friends, and everybody will save a lot of money. And like and share the video. After you do that, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. That way you don't miss any of our daily deals. Allow the video to play all the way to the end, please. And that way YouTube keeps our notifications up to date, because that's how they do that. So even if you walk away, after you click on it, let it play. Please and thank you. So appreciated and so important. And as always, please leave a comment. I love to know what's going on with my friends. And my friends want to know what's going on with our friends. So leave a comment, and everybody read the comments, because you will find that your friends will tell you stuff that you didn't know. Okay, they can put you on to sales and deals that even I didn't know about yet. Alright everybody, let's talk about the buy one, get one 75% off Blue Star, Yellow Dot toys. Okay, get shopping early for your Christmas, for your kids. Okay, save a little bit of money, and this week we've got the 5 off 25 as well, and it works with all these toys. Okay, we also have a Red Dot 50% off sale, and a home sale that is 50% off, yeah, and a clearance event for the seasonal, which is up to 90% off. Okay, most of these toys right here are the toys that are on the sale. So, oh, we got new stuff. We have new stuff. Look at the little chairs. $32 for the little chairs. How cute. Your 5 off 25. Great little Christmas gifts. Right there. And they have the little folding ones for 25. Stitch, Spider-Man, and Bluey. We've got some new Christmas artwork here at this one. Little snowman portrait. And your rugs are buy one, get one 50% off. But I want to see this down here. Now, if the artwork is buy one, get one 50% off, I wonder if the Christmas artwork is the same. We got a few new things, not a whole lot of new things. We got some new picture frames. Oh, I love those big metal cups. The new designs are awesome. Oh, look. Do you like to do your own juice? It is a juice and store. You can do your own orange juice. I'm going to get one of these when it goes on clearance. I don't know what the price is, because I don't see one on here. I'll flip it over and look at it in a minute. But that's a great Christmas gift for somebody. The ceramic baking dish, again, a great Christmas gift for somebody. But we do this when it's buy one, get one. Oh, and this big old soup bowl with a lid for $6. I like that. We'll wait till all those go 50% off. And they're Rubbermaid. Buy one, get one 50% off. Here are some more examples of your 70% off. And then you'll take an additional 50% off. So, you needed those cups. Now, this is what I've got in my buggy, and all this is clearance. These are $1.80. These things were $12. Okay. So I'm banking my granddaughter be able to wear this next summer for $1.80 from $12. And if she can't, it's $1.80. These little guys are 15 cents. I mean, real cute. These are a fine right here, guys. $2.20. And at my other store, they had pennied out, but I don't think they have any. So when I get off work, I'm going to swing by. If they have any of these, I'm going to be scarping them up. These are little alcohol stoves. This thing here was $8. It is a blue clover or turquoise clover. I don't know what color you'd call it. But these things were $8, $1.20. So all of these things are on clearance and well worth your trip. So get your shoes on and go. Now, let's talk about a fairly cheap deal over here in the oral hygiene department. Now, we've got coupons for Crest that are more than $1. We got a $3 off on this mouthwash. Okay, $3 off on the mouthwash. We have Oral-B toothbrushes, $2 off right here. Okay, we have where are you at, my dear? We have a $2 off here, still available. And a $2 off on this one, that is still available. So if you need oral hygiene products, the Crest has got some good coupons. Now we also have some really good coupons on the Colgate, because I'm a Colgate gal. Optic White will be $2 off. That's a $2 tube of toothpaste. Awesome deal. Okay, we also have a $2 off on a toothbrush, and it's working on the 560 toothbrushes, leaving you paying $3.65. This is the 360. Look at the head on that toothbrush. So it also works on the $5 foaming clean toothbrush as well. Okay, so that's going to be making that $3. And I think that's the only one that's actually working besides the $6 one, unless you need two. So, good deals on your hygiene products. And we use those as fillers, okay? Use those as fillers. Now, if you need baby food and baby stuff, we have an instant savings of $1 when you buy 2 of the $3 Gerber snacks, okay? So that would be 5 off 2. And that's the instant savings. So remember, when you're doing this, if you're using your 5 off 25 coupon, for every instant savings of $1, you'll have to go over $1. Okay? Now, these are on sale for $1, and you have a coupon, earn $1 when you purchase 3. Okay? So, this one right here is also a good deal. And you got breakfast, a banana, yogurt, and mixed berries. You got their veggies, carrot, zucchinis, and pears, and some more fruits. Okay. And the pouches are great. You would think, if you're feeding this to your child, open up the pouches all the way and put them in a glass container. Okay. That way you can monitor what's going on. You can't see what's going on inside the pouch, just so you know. Okay, while I'm in the store and picking up my clearance items, I've already told you, if you're going to the store for one thing, you might as well take advantage of other things. And we're going to take advantage of the 5 off when you spend 20 on the Purex deal. Okay, we're going to pick up the Dial soap, and there is a little urn on this. The other thing is, This one says $1.50. My other store, less than 5 miles away, it's $1.75. Alright guys, I'm actually out of the store. Let's have a look at our receipt here. I did the two. I don't know what happened, short of I did have to change my store location in the middle of the store because I realized I had my location set wrong. I think something rang up a little bit cheaper than it was supposed to. Okay. Yep, it sure did. $2.25 on the dial right there. There it was right there. Because I had to add another hand soap to the deal to make it work. I had to add another dial hand soap. So I did the 2 free and clear, all detergents, $4 off. The 2 dial travel with $4 off. And then I did 2 of the dial hand soaps. I did the Airwick starter kit. And then, of course, I got my clearance items. Alrighty. So, let's have a look at the actual coupons that came off. A 3, a 125, a 4, a 2, a 70 cent. Looks like discount on something. And then my 5 off for the for sale deal. Or all deal, should I say. And then my 5 off 25. Now my total out of pocket for this was like $13 and a little bit of change. $13, guys. Okay? This was a winner deal. And it was a winner deal because of all the things that I got. The swim vest was $12 at full price. Oh, and I also got 2 cans of Coke because they were 2 for $2. So 2 of the 16-ounce cans of Coke as well because we had to reach $30. And we did. I could have actually put one of those cans back, but you know, it's 2 for $2. So what did we end up with? $26.70 in savings. And merchandise-wise, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 items. Yeah, everything less than $1. Yes, winner, chicken dinner. Everything less than $1. So, get your shoes on and head on out and save you 90% on some of that summer stuff. There's bound to be something in there that you can use. Whether it be gardening supplies, camping goods, or just your regular seasonal summer stuff. Blessings.